Got a t-shirt you just don't want to get rid of? Well, keep watching and you'll see a quick and easy craft you can do to upcycle that beloved shirt into a pillow. You can even use this as a first sewing lesson for your kids. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a t-shirt, straight pins, needle and thread, scissors, and stuffing. First, after ironing out the t-shirt, you're going to turn it inside out and then pin the front and back of the shirt together in a straight line across the collar. Next, cut off both sleeves in a straight line so that you have a good square shape for your pillow. Now it's time to sew. Sew the sleeves shut and sew a straight line across the collar of the t-shirt. Be sure to leave the bottom of the t-shirt open for now for stuffing. Next, turn the t-shirt right side out and start stuffing. You decide how fluffy of a pillow you want, and you may need to shape the stuffing to get it just right. When you've got your pillow stuffed, you're going to tuck the back and front hem of the shirt inside and pin it shut all the way across. And finally, you'll sew the bottom shut. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and thank you for supporting the Rescue Mission's Thrifty Shopper.